good morning. This is the progress right now here in the parking area. So as of right now, ayan na po. They'll remove the tree trunk and they starting this flooring. 3 ata or 2?
Dito?
1, 2, parang 3 ata. Ayan, they're starting to put the flooring right now. And then the next one is this sidewalk right there. They're gonna put it that slope. And then that's the only ano na lang, what do you call that? The debris they're going to demolish.
Ato, demolish na niya.
Opo, ito magiging ganito siya. Ayan. That's our pump room, but it's kinda dark inside. Maybe later in the afternoon I'm going to go inside
Ito
there.
dati na to na full. Dati na to daan.
Apo. Nandito yung hagdanan pa ganun. Ay, tama ba? Dito yung hagdanan dati, sir, no? Pa ganun. O, dito.
Ito?
Dito.
Ah.
Ayun.
Ano yun?
Truck. Tapos dito sila nag-ano, pag naghahakot. Ding, 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 ding. Aray ko na mamatok to, ano. Ayan. Ang ganda ng, ano, ulap. Server room, ayan sa taas. Ha? Oo. Bali, ang pinaka, ito, isa siguro to sa, ito, ay, yung hangganan nun. Galing dito sa pader na to, sir. Ayan. Mula dyan, mga 250. Tapos ito, ano na, flooring na.
Tapos yung pinaka-wall nun dito, plain lang.
Oo.
Doon ko lalagyan ng NJH pila pa.
Nice. Ayun na yung pinaka-flooring ng ano ata. Ay, hindi. Bababaan pa. Tanong natin kay engineer. So, and that grills also is ours. So, kapag nandun na sila bandad, kaya kaya they were gonna take that out and then, alam na. Ay, Ma'am Mardy. Ay, ma'am, pasok. Alika dito, mainit. Yes. Ayan. Dito tayo, Miss Jo. Nag-ano kami dun sa progress ng ano yung ng demolition. Ayan. Jo, meet Jo.